Systems of equations or points of intersection questions are usually very complicated, and there are lots of different ways to answer them depending on what the structure is. We can guess and check, we can eliminate, we can substitute, but on the SAT, occasionally there are some really convenient things that happen, and so you may want to look for these little shortcuts. They don't always happen, so they won't always be there, but if they are, they make life really, really easy. In this case, we're looking for something kind of weird. So if you kind of do some weird stuff and just see what happens, you might find that the weird thing kind of just appears. So in this case, we might do something similar to elimination. But instead of eliminating a term, like normally I would try to cross out the x's or cross out the y's, I'm just going to add them straight up as they are. What would I get? Well, 4x plus 3x is 7x, negative 3y minus 4y is negative 7y, and 16 plus 26 is 42. Now that seems kind of random, but let's think about what we could do here. We could divide all these terms by 7. That's a nice little convenient thing. And what do we get if we do that? Well, the 7's cancel, leaves us with x. The 7's cancel, leaves us with negative y. And 42 divided by 7 is 6. Now, why is that helpful? Well, the thing I just found happens to be the thing that they wanted. So there we go, I'm done. I never need to know what x is equal to. I never need to know what y is equal to. I could have found those things using elimination or substitution, but this was obviously much faster. So when you take more SATs, you'll start to notice that these little shortcuts are occasionally built into the question. If you start to notice them, you will save time and definitely save yourself a headache, because point of intersection questions are really annoying.